Yeah, I'm back again, Yeah, I had to change out my fuel injectors, man. After I put all this thing together, I tried to use the old ones, and I should have known better. Should have put the new ones in when I first put all this stuff back together. It turned over, didn't want to act like it started. Well, I said turn over, try to run, but didn't want to run, so I figured it had bad injectors because I used the same injector. So what's today? Today is the 8th of May, 2022. So I went ahead on and removed top part of the plenum, moved the plenum in one of the runners. I didn't move that side over there because I didn't feel like taking off that valve cover over there, and that got more wires and shit on that side. So I removed one side, and then I could wiggle the fuel rail out of there with the injectors on it. So let me take you over here where I'm at. That's the valve cover I took from the left side. Got all the injectors in except one. So I'm about to pop that one in. Then put some lube, some little, lube on there, on the end of these little rubber grommets. And stick this thing back in there and start putting everything back. So it took me just I only was out here about an hour and a half, and removed all that. So it ain't gonna take me long to put it back together. But that's it, yeah. So I put the new injectors in, brand new. Since the damn near everything, well, the whole engine is new. But that's what I'm doing. Then put my harmonic balancer on, or make sure I got the correct one. But that's it right there. All right, peace out.